Good morning, everybody. Just up and going. It's about 8 o'clock. We're just on this old railroad bed. But did about 46 miles yesterday. And we got about 20 miles to Montpelier. We're going further than that, but that's the plan for right now, is just get to there. Gotta get some food and stuff. And yeah, don't really know what the plan today will be either. I just know it's a chilly one this morning. Sure what town this is, but we're not quite to Montpelier yet. Got to get on Highway 2 for just a minute. Now we're on this. Nice. Beautiful too. Got about 9 miles to Montpelier. What's up, everybody? So I was just editing this video, and y'all see a little bit later, these next 2 days I had a lot of trouble with the GoPro, and I ended up having to do a firmware update on it, and now it's working fine. But I was getting ready, in this part, I was getting ready to explain a bunch of stuff, and then I realized it only recorded like 10 seconds of the video. So when I was leaving Montpelier, I was on this crazy steep road called Hill Street, and when I was having to push my bike up it, and when I was pushing it up, my prosthetic right here, this part, the strings broke. This thing went flying like 10 foot, and yeah, the only way I could fix it was to just kind of wrap it with an ace bandage like I did the other one. But my other side, the knob on the back, this part, has been broke. And that's why y'all seen every time I would do like the side view of the bike and so on, if I had my shorts on and nothing over it, you would see like the ace bandage wrapped around my prosthetic. So I figured it would work on this side too, but it didn't. It basically was rubbing and pinching. It was bad. So I ended up making it to a single track trail, and I was going to camp there. And then my friend Dana Cook messaged me, said she's coming to get me because she's seen my post on Facebook about this, because I was trying to find somewhere in Montpelier to stay and try to get this straightened out. But everywhere was like $300 a night, and I just cannot do that. So she come and picked me up, took me to her place, and then the next day, the people at Hanger Clinic in Exis Junction in Vermont was absolutely amazing. I called them, they got me in immediately. Dana took me all the way there, is about an hour drive. And then afterwards, she was heading south in Vermont to work. And I really just needed to make up time because I was already so behind on this trip where I've had so many issues. Like when I was doing the White Mountains bike tour, I lost my battery bag, had to replace all that. That was like $200. Then my sleep pad was just not working out for me. It was too cold and it was leaking slowly, and I just ended up having to spend $180 on a brand new pad. I got the Nemo All Season. It's got a 5.8 R value. I haven't tried the Nemo pads in a very, very, very long time. When they first came out with the Tensor, it was comfortable, but it did not keep me warm. This pad so far has been working out great. And then whenever I was getting dropped off, and to begin with, the first time I was leaving New Hampshire, the quick release on my front axle broke. So I had to get that fixed. Luckily, Poseidon, like one day aired me some stuff. And then this happened. So basically, I've been about a week and a half behind of where I wanted to be at. And it's just getting colder and later in the year. So I took the opportunity to skip about 90 miles from that campsite to Rutland. And that's where the video picks up at. Next year, I'm going to be at Old Colony again, so I can easily come back and make up this stretch. But yeah, no regrets. I kind of wish I would have been able to see the rest of Vermont, because I absolutely love that state. But there's always next time. And so now it continues on from Rutland, Vermont.